Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're inside the WhatsApp app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now in order to create a poll, select a contact or a group where you want to create a poll. So first of all, you need to open up the conversation where you want to create a poll. Once you are in the chat space, in the bottom right corner of your screen, here you can see the link icon. Tap on it. A menu list will pop up and here you can see different options. You can see the poll option over here, so tap on it. Now in this page, you need to mention the details of this poll. You can ask a question on what this poll is about. Let's say I'll give a random question over here. And right below the questions field, you can see this option section. Here you can mention the option of answers to choose from. If you want to allow multiple answers, you can enable this option over here. And once you're done with the details of this poll, you can tap on this send button over here. And there you go. Now the poll has been created. The participant in this group can now vote in this poll. And the votings will be shown over here. So that's it. That's how you can create a poll on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.